Hello friends, today I have a question square root of x plus square root of y which is equal to 9, and second equation is x minus y which is equal to 9, and we have to find x plus y. So we will name them. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now from equation 2, x minus y which is equal to 9. Now from here x is same as square root of x square and y is same as square root of y square. So we will replace x and y with square root of x square and square root of y square. So it will become square root of x square minus square root of y square which is equal to 9. Now you can see here it is the form of a square minus b square which is equal to a minus b, a plus b, and here a is equal to square root of x and b is equal to square root of y. So it will become square root of x minus square root of y, square root of x plus square root of y, and it is equal to 9. But from equation 1 we have square root of x plus square root of y which is equal to 9. So we will put the value of square root of x plus square root of 9 here. So it will become 9 into square root of x minus square root of y which is equal to 9. Now we will divide both sides by 9, so it will become 9 1 times 9, 9 1 times 9, and it will become square root of x minus square root of y which is equal to 1. And we will name it equation 3. Now from equation 1 and equation 3 we have almost same variables but have different signs, so we will add equation 1 and equation 3. So equation 1 is square root of x plus square root of y which is equal to 9, and equation 3 is square root of x minus square root of y which is equal to 1. So from here positive square root of y and negative square root of y will be cancelled out, and we have 2 times of square root of x, and from here 9 plus 1 is 10. Now we will divide both sides by 2. So 2 1 times 2, 2 1 times 2, and from here 2 1 times 2, 2 5 times 10. So from here we get square root of x which is equal to 5. So from here we will find the value of x by taking the square on both sides. Square and square root will be cancelled out, so x is equal to 5 squared means 25. Now putting the value of x in equation 2, we will find the value of y, and equation 2 is x minus y is equal to 9, and 25 minus y is equal to 9 because the value of x is 25, and from here 25 minus 9 which is equal to y, and the value of y will become 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. But we have to find the value of x plus y. For finding the value of x plus y will be equal to, value of x is 25 and y is 16. So we will put the values of x and y, so it will become 25 plus 16, and x plus y will be equal to 41. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.